Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to charge your speaker SOUNDCORE Boom 3i using your phone. All you need to have for this is just USB-C to USB-C cable. But if your phone do not support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. Now connect USB-C cable to your phone. Then, at the back side on your speaker, we have this plug with SOUNDCORE. Open the plug, and here's USB-C port. Connect USB-C cable right at this port. And now, the most important is to check the LED light near to the power button. And this LED light meaning that your speaker is charging. So, we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!